This demonstration is going to show how you can recover a deleted VM from a snapshot using vSAN data protection. First, let's select vSAN cluster, and we'll choose Configure vSAN Data Protection. From here, we'll want to look at the list of VMs protected, but selecting Removed VMs. We'll highlight the VM that we want to restore and click on Restore VM. We'll select the snapshot that we want to restore and proceed on to the next step, which is choosing the VM name, the data center, and the cluster to restore to. This will restore the VM fully from the snapshot, even though the VM has been deleted from inventory.